everyone, welcome to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe to our channel. We post videos just like this every Tuesday. And if you're an aspiring dancer but don't know where to start, go ahead and click on the link below. Let me coach you to get to the next level. In today's video, we're gonna learn 3 simple backstep moves that you can do in any social environment. I teach the moves step by step, and then at the very end, we combine all steps together to create a fun pattern. All right, let's do this. The first backstep variation we're gonna do steps directly behind us, keeping our facing to the front. So for this variation, all we're gonna do is step behind ourselves and keeping our body facing one direction. So in this case, I'm facing you. With our right foot, we just step back and then bring it next to each other. Left foot, step back, bring it next to each other. Again, step back, together, other side, together. So we're going back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. When I step back, I don't go flat into my foot. I just tap the ball of my foot and my heel stays up. So when I step back, my heel is up, then I go flat-footed, step back, my heel is up, and then I go flat-footed. So let's try that for 2 8 counts or 16 counts total, just the feet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a move that's gonna apply in all of the 3 steps, but I'm gonna demonstrate and create awareness now. And it's called the rock. So with our torso, we wanna try not to keep it so stiff when we step back. So this is what my torso or the step looks like if my torso is stiff. If we're involving the rock, which is just bringing our torso up, down, every time we step, it adds a little more spice and excitement and dynamics into the move. So demonstrating the rock, and again, this will be applied in every step that we do today. You're just going down, up, 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 down, up. With the step, when you step back, we would go down, up, down, up. So for every step, your torso would go down, up, instead of stiff, stiff. If you want to focus on the feet first, that's fine. And then eventually you want to graduate to adding the torso. Okay? So now applying the torso or the rock to the 2-step or to the back step, going back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone. Now let's try it to music. All right, the second back step variation we're gonna do is bringing our one foot and stepping diagonally back, and it looks like this. So breaking it down, there's gonna be 2 steps that are involved in this back step variation. Starting with our right foot, we're gonna step out, and then the left foot steps back. Other side, we step out, and then now right foot steps back diagonal. So it's going out, step back in the diagonal, out, step back, out, step back, out, step back. Same thing, our heel is up when we step back. So we're not doing heel flat. We're keeping our heel up and up. Yep. Step back, step back. So just try that simple version for an 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget to add that rock every time we go. Now we're gonna add something a little bit fancy when we step back, and it's pivoting on the ball of our foot. So in other words, the simple version is a simple step back, keeping our hips facing front and our toes facing front. Adding that spice element to our feet, we're gonna pivot on the ball of our foot. So every time we step, our heels turn out. And that happens on the second step. Step back, pivot. Step back, pivot. So in other words, instead of keeping it straight, you're showing the heel. Heel, heel. And the heel would move inside. So let's try that for 1 8 count. Here we go. 5, 6, add the rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, for fun, we're gonna try the normal version without the foot twist for an 8 count. And then on the second 8 count, we're gonna add the little twist or the pivot on the ball of the foot. Let's try it together, and don't forget the rock. 5, 6, normal version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Spicy version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music, and let's try this version. Here we go. So the third variation involves us changing where we're facing and stepping out. And it looks like this. All right, so let's break down this back step variation. What's happening is we're stepping to the side. Now, the foot that steps out is flat, but the foot that stays under you, the heel is up. So again, when we step out, the foot is flat, but the foot that's under you, the heel is up. Then together. Out, together. Out, together. So notice how the foot under me, the heel comes up, but then the foot that steps out is flat. Okay? So now we're gonna do this variation, changing our direction. So when we do this, we're facing the right and then the left. So I'll show you one time, and it looks like this. Facing the right, together, facing the left, together. Last time, and the left. Cool? Okay, so again, when we're stepping to the side, our foot that goes back is flat, but then the foot that's under you, the heel comes up, so that when we come together, it allows for a smoother transition to come together. And so you can feel lighter on your feet. So let's try that in this tempo. 1, 2, 3, for 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add a rock. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music this time. All right, now it's time to put all 3 steps together. We're gonna combine stepping back for 1 8 count, stepping diagonal, dancer's choice for 1 8 count, and then pivoting for 1 8 count. Okay? We're gonna do that 2 times in a row. So first, second, third move, short rest, first, second, third move, and end. All right, here we go. Hope you enjoyed this video and that you're more confident to go step on into the dance floor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And again, if you're an aspiring dancer and don't know where to start, go ahead and click on the link below and let me coach you to get to the next level. All right, we'll see you next week.